What's going on, guys? Welcome to another 5-minute guitar lesson. Today's song is Hurt by Johnny Cash. As usual, we're going to start with a song structure to break down the different parts we need to learn in this song. This song has an instrumental, then a verse and a chorus, then another instrumental, then another verse and a chorus. And that's it. So we can break this into two different guitar parts. The part that's played in the instrumental and the verse, and the part that's played in the chorus. Learn the song even quicker by checking out the link in the description below, where you can follow along with this tutorial, but also get lyrics and chords on top of them and any other cool things covered in this video. If you like this video, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up or a comment in the comment section below. Your feedback is what gives me the motivation to keep making more videos. As well, if you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button to get access to all my latest content straight on your YouTube homepage. So starting with the verse part. Okay, so this part's pretty simple. We need 3 different chords. An A minor, a C, and a D. So you're going to start with the A minor, and you're going to play on the 1 and 2. Then on the next bar, you're going to play the C on the 1 and 2. Then you're going to switch to D for 3 and 4. The ands are all picked up and the beats are all picked down. So all together, that's going to sound like this. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. And you just continue that for the entire verse and the entire instrumental. Now here's a bonus part if you want to try this out. This is what he's actually playing in the verse. So if you want to make this a little more complicated, you can try out what he's actually playing in the verse. It works totally fine if you just strum the chords, but he's actually picking them out. So if you start on the A minor, what that would look like is this. All you're doing is the exact same timing of 1 and 2, then again on the next bar, but you're picking out the chord. Starting on the A minor, you'll play the 5th string, then the 4th string, and then play the top 3 strings. So that's going to be 1 and 2, 3, 4. Then you switch to C and do the same thing. Start on the 5th string, 1, then the 4th string for the and, then play the top 3 strings. So together that's 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2. Then you switch to the D, and this time you're going to start on the 4th string and play the 4th string, then the 3rd string, and then the top 3 strings again. And that's going to be the same rhythm as the other two. So all together, that's going to be like this. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So that's totally up to you. You can choose whether you want to do the picked out version or the chords. Both will work totally fine. Then the last part is the chorus. The chorus is even simpler. We've got one extra chord, but a simpler strumming pattern. So all you're doing for this is playing one bar for each chord, and you're playing on the 1, 2, 3, 4, and. So starting on the A minor, that's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Then you switch to F. 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Switch to C. 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Then switch to G. 1, 2, 3, 4, and. That's the entire chord progression. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 1, 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 2, 3, 4, and. If you can play those two parts, you can play the entire song. Did you like this video? Well, then you better hit the subscribe button right now so you get access to all my latest content right when I upload it on your YouTube homepage. Once you've done that, click on this video or that video and launch your next guitar adventure.